Hi, this is Carol and welcome to my channel Inspired By. Today I'm participating in an open invite fall tablescape challenge hosted by Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner and Kimberly from DivaE Designing on a Dime. Now what they would like us to do is do a fall tablescape with a little twist. Twist with this challenge is that you must do a fall DIY. What I've chosen to do is a fall table runner. So what I'm doing right here is I'm tracing out a pumpkin on the fabric that I'll be using. I'll be doing 3 different types of pumpkins. I'll be doing one with pearls, one with beads, and one with rhinestone. So what I'm doing right now is just cutting out the pumpkins, and I'll be cutting out 6 of them. I'm applying the beads or the faux pearls to the pumpkin using Mod Podge. So I'll be using Mod Podge for all of them, the beaded ones, the rhinestone ones, and the pearl ones. So right here I'm using some iridescent glitter on all of the pumpkins that I've cut out. It looks once I've glued them all to the runner that I also made. And now this is the completed project, so this is my fall tablescape. So I would like to thank Kimberly from DivaE Designing on a Dime and Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner for hosting this fabulous open invite fall tablescape challenge. Now, if you like what you saw today, please share, like, and subscribe, and I will have the playlist link